Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the last video of solving 2 into 2 Rubik's Cube. So I hope you have completed the yellow part. If you have not, then kindly watch class 3 of solving 2 into 2 Rubik's Cube. Now you get two situations. One situation being where all the colors are different except for the bottom layer. I have green here, I have orange, I have blue, I have red and white here. But even if I set the colors, it is like 3 red, blue, 3 orange, 3 green. So this is where I have all different colors here. When I have everything different, I have to apply an algorithm. So the algorithm is the first algorithm that we used: right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right, right side down, front clockwise, 2 times right up to the right, right side down, up to the right, right side up to the left, right side down, front, anti-clockwise. So this is the algorithm I have to apply. So I'll show you when I apply this algorithm what I'm going to get. So you can hold the cube any way you want, but the yellow part should be on the top. So let's apply this algorithm. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right, right side down, front clockwise, right twice up to the right, right side down, up to the right, right side up to the left, right side down and anti-clockwise. So if you see it now, you feel like nothing has changed, but yes, it has changed. See, I have got 2 orange here. I have to put it to the orange face. Now, this is the second situation where you will have white and yellow complete along with one more color. So in this situation, you have to keep this completed face onto the left side, facing the yellow color up. Now again, apply this algorithm. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right, right side down, front clockwise, right up 2 times, up to the right, right side down, up to the right, right side up to the left, right side down, front, anti-clockwise. Now your cube is complete. So it's very simple. So in the last step, that is where when your yellow and white along with that one layer is complete, the bottom layer is complete and you have different colors here, that is the first case. And the second case is where one of the colors are matched, that is you will have 3 faces complete. Along with the white and yellow, there will be one more face which will be complete, and you will have to apply this algorithm keeping that completed face onto the left and yellow facing up. So this is how we complete 2 into 2 cube. If you have not watched class 1, 2 and 3, I would request you to kindly watch from the beginning so that it is very easy for you to complete this 2 into 2 cube. If this video is helpful, kindly share it with your friends and family, and also if you're liking my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.